Welcome back to North of the Broad. I'm your host, Karen Wyman, coming to you from Higher Ground on Ladies Island, joined by the one and only Tim Lovett.
Hello, hello.
Hey, Tim.
Hey, Karen.
We switched things up this time.
I
I'm
know.
on the opposite side. It's really throwing off
So
my game.
weird.
It's weird, I know. But I'm so excited. This is our final interview of 2018.
This year has flown by.
I know, and it's been a good year for you. I mean, you guys moved in, and a little more than a year ago, you've been in your space for a year. You had a great, anniversary party / birthday party for Hobie.
It's been awesome. I can't believe it's gone by so fast.
I know it goes by in a blink. We're going to be talking about 2019 the next time we see one another. But we are in the thick of the holiday shopping season.
Yes, 'tis the season.
And we want to remind people that they need to come check out all the great things here at Higher Ground.
Yes.
So you guys have regular hours between now and the time we get to Christmas, but we do want to let viewers and shoppers know that on the 24th, Christmas Eve, you will be closing at 4 o'clock.
Yes.
And you'll be closed on Christmas Day.
Absolutely.
Awesome to celebrate that special day with your family and loved ones. But we want to send people here to Higher Ground to check out all of your good holiday deals.
Yes, we've got a lot of good stuff going on here before the holidays close out. We were just talking about what good stocking stuffers the Higher Ground gift card would make.
Yeah.
And we also have the ability to create a package for people that are interested in kayaking or paddleboarding, to where you can come buy a gift certificate for yourself and then have one for your friend or loved one or whoever you'd like to go paddle with you.
Right, so really talking about those experiences that people like to have instead of giving somebody a tangible item per se. If you know somebody who really is more into the experience of being out on the water, or maybe someone who's thought about going out and is a little tentative about it, or maybe just isn't in their budget, it's a great way to get one of your friends to join you out on the water.
Yes.
So think about buying gift certificates for some of the wonderful merchandise that you see here in the store, for buying for one of those experiences on the kayak or the stand-up paddleboard rental. And of course, we always know that you've got some Hobie kayaks that are on sale. Yes. And an awesome selection of stand-up paddleboards.
We do. We're really good right now, right behind us here.
I know, look at this.
Already wrapped with bows. We have a few 2018 models left that would be great deals for Santa or somebody for Christmas. And all the new 2019 boats are now in stock as well. Our paddle boards, which you can't see, we've got them all around here. Yeah, we've got some great packages available for those too. So
people need to come in and check out all the wonderful merchandise. And like I said, not only all of the outdoor sort of gear and boards and big things, but there's some wonderful apparel that's here in the store. Whether for the lady in your life or for the man in your life, there's some really great gear that you can wear every day. Doesn't necessarily have to be if you're going out on an outdoor adventure. Yes,
low country outdoor clothing, stuff that, especially when the warm weather comes, is stuff that works really well.
Yep. So you guys have a lot of stuff going on, obviously, in the retail industry. You've got to be constantly thinking ahead. So Surf Expo is coming up. You're going to be headed to that on January 10th.
January 10th, yep. We go down and start looking at merchandise for next year, or actually into 2019, as well as into the fall. So we get to see all the cool new stuff and get ready for the warm weather and get the store stocked
and plan it all out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's always great that you've got that cutting edge and that sort of first look at everything that's new and shiny. Obviously, Hunting Island Adventure Biathlon to benefit the Sea Island Rotary. You have the date for that. It's going to be on Saturday, March the 9th, so we want to get that out there.
Yes, it's time to go ahead and get signed up, give you something to start training and getting ready for the spring. Usually everyone goes, well, I don't have time to get ready. Well, you've got plenty of notice.
Giving you plenty of time.
Plenty of notice.
Indulge in all those beverages and that good food until the end of this month, and then get back on track. So people can sign up if they're solo, $45. If they're participating with a team, $80.
Correct.
So we want to get that out there and have people get it on their calendars. One of the other things we just want to remind our viewers and our community about is what a great community partner Higher Ground is. And you guys have done a lot this past year. We're just going to talk about a few things in the time we have left. But supporting Friends of Caroline Hospice and their fashion show in the spring, you guys have done that. Yep. Just recently, Festival of Trees, you and Paula, a great tree showing there. So thank you for that. And then Coastal Conservation Association, you've participated in giving them some wonderful raffle items. And then Paddle Fest, of course, is an annual event that you guys participate in and give money back to another not-for-profit organization. So thank you so much for all of that.
Thank you. Those are all fun things to do and participate in, and we love to be able to give back. That's kind of what it's all about, being in a small community like Beaufort is, you know, people come and shop with us, and we're able to give back to the organizations that are doing good things.
Doing good things. So we just want to remind everybody to shop local, come check out all the fun stuff here at Higher Ground. Thank you so much, Tim, for being a guest as usual.
Thank you, Karen.
That wraps up this edition of North of the Broad. See you next time.